Tips and tricks.
Prepárate. Let me see you jump.
Too many guys make the mistake of throwing their entire lives on the table when they meet a woman they are interested in. So, be different and hold some things back, especially those that people might consider impressive.
The last thing a woman wants is a guy who starts calling her 10 times a day after they've had a fun night out.
If you start acting like you're ready for marriage after the first date, or even the fifth, if you start acting like you're ready for marriage after the first date, or even the fifth,
Well, the same holds true for women and dating. If you're putting in all of the effort in the relationship, she won't value you or appreciate your time.
Don't be the type of guy that sweats the small stuff, like an unreturned phone call.
Simply pretend you were too busy to even notice that she forgot to call you back. She'll probably assume you were busy with other women.
After she's proved herself to you, it's time to be a man and make a move.
Women don't respect a man who doesn't have the guts to go for that first kiss, or anything else, so don't let her down.
Let it go, make my body go. Make our bodies higher.